In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open the print dialog in Google Chrome using a keyboard shortcut. If you frequently print web pages, documents, or receipts, this shortcut lets you access Chrome's print options instantly without navigating through the menus. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the web page you want to print. Once the page has loaded, make sure the Chrome window is active by clicking anywhere inside it. Then, use the appropriate keyboard shortcut for your operating system. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+P. On Mac, press Command+P. As soon as you press the shortcut, Chrome will open the print dialog. From here, you can choose your printer, change the number of copies, select the pages you want to print, adjust the layout, choose color or black and white, and preview the document before printing. If the print dialog doesn't appear, make sure Google Chrome is the active window and that your keyboard is working correctly. You can also try opening the print dialog by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome and selecting Print to verify that printing is working normally. Once you've selected your preferred print settings, click Print to send the document to your printer, or choose Save as PDF if you'd like to save a digital copy instead. That's how to open the print dialog in Google Chrome using a keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching.